DART CLEAR 8500, an extremely fast-drying acrylic clear coat designed for small and medium repairs, including spot and smart repairs. The advanced air-dry resin blend ensures exceptionally fast drying and achieves functional hardness in just 1 hour at 20 degrees Celsius. Technical tips. Mixing ratio 2:1. Standard version pot life is approximately 30 minutes. Use a spray gun with a 1.2 to 1.4 mm nozzle diameter. Apply in 2 full coats. Flash off time between coats up to 5 minutes. Layers can be applied almost continuously. The clear coat offers excellent resistance to UV rays and weather conditions once cured. Special additives ensure exceptional scratch resistance. Note: DART CLEAR is recommended for spot repairs or painting 1 to 2 panels. Detailed information about the product is available in the technical datasheet, on the packaging, and in the description below the video. Make sure to check out other NOVOL products. NOVOL, we're with you every step of the way.